Matt here from Infinite Landscape on Waiheke. This is a job that we've just completed. We've been here for the best part of a year. The client wanted a simple stone courtyard, so we've gone with the Waikato Fleck, which is much easier underfoot than the local aggregate, but still keeps that nice Waiheke colouring. We've had a great relationship with Central Landscape Supplies on Waiheke. Been working alongside them for 12 years now. They just deliver whenever we need, usually within the hour, which is amazing service. Keeps my guys on the ground and productivity on site high. So this was an interesting one. There's a lot of water that would come down through this valley, so the engineers designed an open swale with the local rock and wetland planting. The water runs through freely and it ends up actually turning a really negative part of the property into a feature. We've got the Waikato Fleck on the pathways, the hardwood sleepers, tons and tons of mulch, tons and tons of garden mix to build up the lawn. Yeah, the clients were really happy. They're here and they're just loving it.